What if time isn't forever? Imagine a universe so ancient, so incredibly vast, that now begins to blur. Prepare for the ultimate fate, the end of everything, even time itself. It's called the heat death, or the big freeze, and it's truly mind-bending. Right now, our universe is expanding. Galaxies race away. New stars are born. It's a vibrant, energetic place. But this can't last forever. In quadrillions of years, the last stars will flicker out. Red dwarfs, tiny and slow burning. Their nuclear fuel exhausted, leaving behind stellar remnants. White dwarfs, neutron stars, black holes. The universe grows darker, colder, emptier. This is just the beginning. Next, galaxies will drift apart. The cosmic web unravels. No new star formation, only decaying husks. Then come the truly colossal timescales. Black holes begin to dominate. They swallow everything. But even black holes aren't eternal. Thanks to Hawking radiation, they slowly, incredibly slowly, evaporate. Imagine a black hole the mass of our sun. It would take 10 to the power of 67 years to vanish. A number so big it's meaningless. For supermassive black holes, try 10 to the power of 100 years. That's a googol with 92 more zeros. Longer than the universe has existed, by orders of magnitude. But eventually, they too are gone, leaving behind what? A vast, empty void, filled with only photons, electrons, positrons, and other fundamental particles, scattered so far apart, they rarely interact. The temperature approaches absolute zero, a universal chill. No energy gradients. No work can be done. No processes can occur. This is the heat death. Maximum entropy reached. But what about time? Time, as we perceive it, requires change, movement, interaction. In this ultimate cosmic stillness, does time even have meaning? If nothing ever happens again, if no event follows another, does before or after exist? The concept of now dissolves. Without clocks to tick, without processes to unfold, time itself might effectively cease, or at least become utterly irrelevant. Imagine the ultimate slow-motion fade, stretching across incomprehensible eons, until all motion stops, all thought ceases, all light dies. Just an endless, frigid expanse. This isn't just theory. It's the most widely accepted scientific prediction, based on current understanding of thermodynamics and cosmology. It's a humbling thought. Our vibrant, bustling universe, destined for such a quiet end. But don't despair. These are timescales beyond imagination. Billions upon billions of years. Our sun is barely middle-aged. Humanity's story is just beginning. For now, marvel at the cosmos. Its incredible energy, its endless wonder. Because someday it might just fade away into eternal night, leaving behind the ultimate stillness, where time itself loses its grip. A truly mind-bending cosmic truth. Think about that. The universe's ultimate slow-motion fade, when even time unravels.